Yes, hello friends. Today we are going to discuss about semantic network. In last lecture we are already discussed about the represent the knowledge with the help of the techniques that are the proposition logic and predicate logic. So what is proposition logic? Proposition logic which is to be useful for the proposition where the statement that are true or false or not both at a time, and predicate logic where the statements are declarative, that is the sky is blue. Okay, now next, semantic networks. So what is semantic network? Semantic network which are the alternative of predicate logic for knowledge representation. In semantic network we can represent our knowledge in the form of graphical network. So what is this semantic network? It is a there are different drawbacks which are available in the predicate logic or proposition logic. So we can't describe the knowledge at that such a level. So these are the problem which can be overcome with the help of a semantic network. So what is this semantic network? It is a graphical representation technique. With the help of that we are going to describe the knowledge at a higher level than the proposition and predicate logic. Now next, this network consists of nodes representing object and arc which describe the relationship between those objects. So what is this? This semantic network, here we are going to represent the knowledge with the help of graphical techniques. But there are two things are there, object and arc. So what is object? What is object? The things, which is things or element which are available in that statement. Next one is arc. Arc describe the relationship between different objects which are available in the semantic network. Semantic network which can be categorized in the object in a different form and can also link those objects. Semantic network are easy to understand and can be easily extended. Yes, and this representation of consists mainly two types of relation, that is a kind of relationship and is a and kind of relationship. Now example is of semantic network, that is Jerry is a object. So Jerry is a cat. Yes. Jerry is a mammal. Yes, Jerry is a mammal. Jerry is a owned by Priya. So owner of Jerry is a Priya. Jerry is brown colored. So how colored of Jerry is brown, and all mammals are animal. Okay, so we will start over here. Jerry. Jerry's color is, okay. Jerry's color is white or brown. We will write Jerry's color is brown. Jerry's owner, who is, that is Priya. Then Jerry is a cat. Yes, Jerry is a cat. Now next, what we will write? All Jerry is a cat and Jerry is a mammal. If Jerry is a cat and cat is a mammal, so indirectly we will say Jerry is a mammal. Yes. Now next, all mammals are animal. So mammal is animal, cat is mammal, and cat is mammal, then cat is animal. So indirectly we say that Jerry is a animal. So in this way we are going to discuss the semantic network. So what we will discuss over here, we have five statements, that is Jerry is a cat, Jerry is a mammal, Jerry is owned by Priya, Jerry is brown colored and all mammals are animal. So how we will discuss this thing? Jerry. First of all, we will write the object Jerry. Then Jerry's color. How the color of Jerry is brown. We will write over here. Jerry is owned by. Who is the owner of Jerry? That is Priya. Now next. Jerry is a cat. So Jerry is a cat. So this is a kind of relationship. Now next, if we write Jerry is mammal, no, Jerry is a cat, and we know that cat is a mammal. So we will write over here cat is a mammal. So indirectly we say that Jerry is a mammal. Now next, all mammals are animal. So this is a kind of relationship. If mammals are animal, cat is animal, then indirectly we say that Jerry is a animal. So these are the things, with the help of that we are going to represent the semantic network. Okay, so what is semantic network? Semantic network, it is a knowledge representation technique. With the help of that we are going to represent knowledge in a graphical structure. Now next, there are different problems which are available in a proposition logic and predicate logic, which can be overcome in a semantic network. In a semantic network, it represent the knowledge in a graphical way. So object and arc is there. So what is object? The entity which are available in the statement. And what is arc? It is a intermediary or connection between the different object. So thus in this way we describe the concept of a semantic network. Thank you.